No zips.
Hi travellers, I'm Ian's daughter Lalika. Me picking up this suitcase, well, this trunk.
I've spent way more than I wanted to because of what the exchange rate's going to be. My trunk costs 4,200 RMB, which is, I'm sure, like 100, probably $200 more than what it would have been if they had any in stock. And I think what is really worrying me, and the reason why I was standing in the store seriously like scouring the July website going, am I not? But they had black, blue, green and that funny beigey sandy colour. Considering that July itself doesn't have any in stock. I'm even worried about this green because I'm so used to bright colours or brightish colours, but also things with stickers all over them, so it's obvious it's mine. That'll take some time. I mean, it's smaller than the checked glass, litres wise, but I think I have always wanted to try a trunk, like it's a 3/4, it's a 70/30.
Comes with a canvassy bag. You can store it in it. It's actually quite heavy though. It also comes with a little magic eraser sponge for you people that care about cleaning it. And there is a laundry bag, just hooks, which will be interesting. There's a laundry bag here, which is kind of big. Like, I feel like it takes up a lot of space. Interested to see how these hooks survive over time. Also, this compression thing, I can't see how it comes outside. Also has one giant compartment. So I wish one was like 2 and then the other side was 1. And you're midway through. I'm seriously just throwing this stuff in. There is no packing queue. Stuff is just coming. At the moment, stuff is coming out of there and into there. My backpack, which was going to be my second item. What they didn't give is a luggage tag, which I find surprising. Just taking this off my carry-on and you can see it's seen better days. I want to put a sticker in here with also my information. What I'm going to do, because this is new, is take pictures of it. I have more stuff to add, but this is midway through. This is after 3 flights. So I had 2 transfers, 1 long haul, 1 mid haul. Because it's shiny, these things show up. Here's the phone, it arrived in great condition. You can see how easily it fingerprints